In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check saved drafts on LinkedIn. If you've ever started writing a LinkedIn post and saved it for later, this is a quick and useful feature to know. LinkedIn keeps your unfinished content in an easy-to-access area, but if you've never looked for it before, it may not be immediately obvious where to find it. I'll walk you through the exact path so you can locate your drafts smoothly and get back to editing or posting them whenever you're ready. To begin, head over to LinkedIn and make sure you're on the main feed page. This is the home area where you normally see posts, updates, and activity from your network. Starting from the feed is important because that's where the post creation tools are most easily available. Once you're on the LinkedIn feed, look for the option that says Start a Post. This is the same button you would normally use when creating a brand new post. Go ahead and click it. When the Post Composer opens, you'll be able to access additional posting options from inside that window. Next, look for the clock icon. This icon is usually associated with scheduling or saved posting activity, so it's the key to finding content you've worked on previously. Click the clock icon to open that section. If you're specifically trying to locate drafts, this is the area that will help you move toward them. After that, click View All Scheduled Posts. Even though the wording mentions scheduled posts, this section can also help you navigate to saved content related to your posting workflow. It's a good place to check when you want to review content you've prepared earlier instead of starting from scratch. Once you're in that area, take a moment to look through what's available. This can be especially helpful if you manage multiple posts, save ideas ahead of time, or like to plan your content before publishing. It's also a smart habit to periodically review saved and scheduled content so nothing important gets forgotten. If you're not seeing what you expect right away, try reopening the post window and selecting the clock icon again carefully, since that's the main access point. Also, make sure you're using the same LinkedIn account where the draft was originally created. And that's it. That's how to check saved drafts on LinkedIn. Once you know where to look, it only takes a few seconds, and it makes staying organized with your content much easier.